Welcome to Rogers Gardens. My name is Linda, I work in the garden rooms, and today we're going to be talking about clean air plants. Most people don't realize that the indoor air quality of the space that they live in is just as important as the outside air. So during the winter months, we tend to spend a bit more time indoors, and we don't realize that everyday items that we use to clean our house have toxins in them, and those toxins can build up inside our homes. Today we have much better built homes, which are designed to keep the toxins out. But what happens is we spend a lot of time indoors, and it tends to keep the toxins in and around us. A way to combat that problem would be to include our clean air plants into your indoor environment. But there's a special consideration when you're choosing your indoor plant, and that is its effectiveness to clean the air that you live in. Most people don't realize, but there are hundreds of options when it comes to including indoor plants into your space. Here, I'm just going to talk about a few. If you want to specifically include clean air plants into your space, there are a number of very efficient types of indoor plants that will do the job better than, say, others. One of our most popular indoor plants is the Sansevieria. Sansevieria comes in many sizes, shapes, colors, variegations. There's one suitable for your environment. You might recognize this style of Sansevieria. It's called the black gold. It's the most common, and everyone seems to have had this type of variegation in their home at one stage in their life. We have a multitude of varieties of Sansevieria here in the garden rooms. One would suit your office or your home space. And the great thing about Sansevierias is they're so highly efficient at cleaning the indoor air. Another plant you might recognize is the pothos, and you might be surprised to realize that the pothos is also another very effective indoor air cleaner. The common indoor pothos is a great indoor plant. It requires low watering and low light. It can also adjust to the opposite, and they're lovely draping plants. Another family of plants that are incredibly efficient at cleaning the indoor air are the Dracaena family. Dracaenas come in a multitude of styles and varieties. I have two of them here. One is the lemon lime and one is the bicolor. They can grow to enormous sizes and fill any indoor space. Other types of clean air plants include the Schefflera. I have a small one in my hand right here. They grow to very large sizes. As you can see behind me, actually I'm surrounded by clean air plants. At the moment in my hand I have the Areca palm, which is a very common indoor house plant you might be familiar with, and beneath me here is the Lasticata or rubber tree, which can grow to heights of 10 feet or more. Another happy coincidence of the indoor clean air plants, they can adjust to a lot of indoor lighting conditions, and they do tend to require less watering. The Spathiphyllum or peace lily and the spider plant are incredibly easy to take care of and adjust to pretty much any indoor lighting and watering condition. In fact, all plants clean the air, but some are just more efficient at it than others. So come visit me soon in the garden rooms and I'll help you pick out your clean indoor air plant. Rogers Gardens brings beauty into your home and garden.